you've been doing your bun the same way and it's not hitting anymore, I've put together the best DIY buns for you beauties. From sleek to messy, they are quick, easy, low maintenance, and sure will elevate your look. And trust me, by the end of this, your bun game is about to level up. Let's get into it.
If you want that super sleek finish, don't skip your base. Use a gel or wax stick first, then brush in later. That's how you avoid bumps and get that clean look.
Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away.
This right here is how you make a simple bun look expensive. It's all about placement, texture, and how clean your base is, because that's what really changes the whole vibe.
Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust.
Garage tip. If your base isn't laid, your bun won't hit. Use a wax stick or gel with a firm brush to smooth everything down first. Volume control. Don't overpack your buns. Too much hair kills the shape. Keep it balanced so it looks full but still structured.
Now I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my hair. Yeah, I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my hair. You can't tell my woman I'm gone and I ain't coming back. Woo! Woo! Messy buns aren't random. Focus the volume at the crown and leave few pieces out. That's what gives it that soft, effortless vibe. Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. Yeah. Woo. Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin. Look like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust road to join. Yeah, I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my hair. You can't tell my woman I'm gone and I ain't coming back. Woo! Woo!
Messy bun trick. For that effortless, messy bun, pull a few strands out strategically, not randomly. That's what gives soft, face-framing energy.
Old chair arms beneath me, plank boards keep the time. Old chair arms beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how it's mine. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Static sings the harmony. I couldn't ask for more. I'd burn uneven, let the shadows play. Yeah, the porch light burn uneven, keep the night from drifting away. If this ain't heaven, liquor on the
Maintenance tip. Wrap your hair at night with a satin bonnet or silk scarf to keep it smooth and frizz-free. And don't forget to moisturize your ends. Healthy hair equals better buns every time.
But tonight, the world's in tune. Old chair arms beneath me, plank boards keep the time. Old chair arms beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how it's mine. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Static sings the harmony. I couldn't ask for more.
Edge tip. Edges can make or break the bun. Keep it light and natural. Too much product will ruin the look.
Let the porch light burn uneven, let the shadows play. Yeah, the porch light burn uneven, keep the night from drifting away. If this ain't heaven, it'll do for today. Woo. My baby crying, said she can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. Told her love ain't chained down.
Maintenance tip. Wrap your hair at night with a satin bonnet or silk scarf to keep it smooth and frizz-free. And don't forget to moisturize your ends. Healthy hair equals better buns every time.
Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance
Your bun should never be basic after this. This shows you don't need a complicated style to look put together. Let your bun do all the talking for you. Which one was your favorite, sleek or messy bun? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and come back for more inspo. Stay beautiful.